Hopefully that works. My ISO was way off. I actually did a installation video, and like I said, my ISO was off so much that it was too dark to see anyway. There wasn't much to it. Basically just cut into the old wiring harness and just hooked it up. Basically all the hardware was the same. The only thing I had to switch out was the bolt. But other than that, it works pretty good. It still gets pretty hot. I like the really narrow, well, the cat eye, the narrow beam of light that it has. As you can see, that is really nice, and you can keep a low to the road, so you're not blinding drivers. I ended up hooking up the blue ring and the other light, but you don't really see the blue ring that much anyway. You don't have to worry about getting stopped by the police for that. That's just retarded. Some people have been complaining about it. Back lights are all working. Now when it runs for about 10 minutes, check my temp gauge here. $67. This one heats up right away. Yeah, as you can see, 84. That'll go up to about 112, and this one will go up to about 70 for the my voltage regulator. But that thing's good for like I think 6 amps or so. It's a really good voltage regulator. I upgraded that last year, as well the stuff I have running on it. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully it lasts. If I have any issues with it this summer, I'll do a follow-up on it. But it looks pretty good. The only thing I'm probably going to do is take some of this carbon fiber wrap and do what I did with the other one, and just this plastic ring around here. I'll just put some carbon wrap around that. It'll detail it like the rest of the bike. But hopefully the next couple of days we're going to have some really warm weather, and I'm going to go for a ride. I'm going to be, until I get the next motor to rewind, I'm going to be focusing more of my attention on batteries. Actually, there's this place in the States that I'm looking to purchase some batteries. These guys strictly deal with used batteries. I can't remember the name of it. It's a battery supplier anyway. I'll put a link in the description of the company. They look pretty legit. So it's either that or I'd buy another motor for the front. I'm dying to try this dual motor setup. So we'll see how it goes. I'll see you in the next one. Later, guys.